Hey kids, welcome to our fun quiz. Today's challenge is called Guess the First Letter. We'll show you a fun picture, like a banana or a dog, and you have to tell us, what letter does it start with? You'll get 3 choices. Only one is correct. Try to guess as many right as you can. Ready to play? Get your brain ready. Here comes the first question.
Here's your first question. Look at the picture, it's a banana. What letter does banana start with? A, C, B, B, C, D. So, A, B, or C? Make your choice. Yes, the answer is B. Banana starts with the letter B. Great job.
Next up, we have a cute animal. It's a cat. What letter does cat start with? A, K, B, C, C, M. Pick the right letter. You got it. C is for cat. Nice work.
Look at this fluffy friend. It's a dog. What letter does dog start with? A, D, B, F, C, B. Choose wisely. That's right. D is for dog. Well done.
Yum. This is a juicy fruit. It's an apple. Which letter does apple begin with? A, E, B, A, C, O. Correct. A is for apple. You're doing great.
This big animal has a long trunk. It's an elephant. What letter does elephant start with? A, E, B, G, C, T. Yes, E is for elephant. Keep it up.
Wow, so many colors in the sky. It's a rainbow. Which letter does rainbow begin with? A, C, B, R, C, Y. You nailed it. R is for rainbow.
It swims in water. It's a fish. What letter does fish start with? A, F, B, S, C, P. Great. F is the first letter in fish.
Vroom vroom. What is this? A car. Which letter does car start with? A, R, B, B, C, C. That's right. C is for car. Zoom ahead.
It's red, sweet, and yummy. A strawberry. What's the first letter of strawberry? A, S, B, B, C, A. Correct. S is for strawberry.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.